Did you know that if you copy movies or music without authorization of the company that holds the copyright, that you could get up to 5 years in federal prison plus having to pay a $250,000 fine? Comment below if you think that's a little extreme. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. Kitty Punk asks us, I had a DUI and I was poorly advised. I have a date to appear in court again and I'm afraid of being deported. What can I do? Well, first of all, don't not appear in court, or make sure you send a lawyer if you're too afraid to go to court, because a warrant will be issued and then you're going to be in a far worse situation. Now, if we're talking about a DUI, please be aware that in the year 2014, Governor Jerry Brown here in the state of California signed something called the Trust Act, which means that essentially you're not going to get held and put in immigration custody if you're being accused of a misdemeanor that's not violent. A DUI is not considered a violent misdemeanor. Now, it is true that if you are convicted of a DUI, in the future, if you try to become, legal or become a resident or citizen, yes, at that point in the future, it could result in deportation, exclusion from the United States, or denial of naturalization. However, at the present moment, going to court, no, there is no problem. Now, if you're one of these people who is extra afraid, since this is a DUI and not considered it's not a crime of violence, and it's a misdemeanor, you can hire an attorney so that the attorney appears on your behalf 977 without you ever having to go to court, and the whole case could be worked out without your physical presence. So if you're too afraid to go, send an attorney. But don't ignore it. Don't just blow it off, because if you do that, a warrant will be issued and then your situation will get worse. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. I'm going to say hi to Sarah Hamilton, who's watching us right now on our Facebook page. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.